Hi friends, it's been a long day. We have met. Okay, actually, I was quite busy during this time, so I couldn't make a video for my channel. But now I'm free. Okay, now I will be uploading videos on some interesting topics, on some competitive exam preparations, and I will try my best to guide you. And believe me, those are going to help you. Okay, I will not waste your time. It is my promise. Okay. Before making this video, I want to tell you that I am not a NTSC scholar or any national level scholar. Okay, so these are all. I will recommend you all these books. In this video, basically we will discuss about physics preparation for IIT JEE. Okay, actually these are the, I can say, must-do books for IIT JEE. If you are going for IIT JEE, these are the must-do books. Okay. Now, before making this video, before starting our discussion, I would like to say that uh, competitive exams are something which enables your competitive spirit, enables you to fight with, I cannot say fight, to compete with everyone else and to acquire a decent rank or position in the country. Okay, there is actually, we can say, it is a test of your abilities, and it it can also give you a lot of recognition and respect. These are actually the pillars of success, and it will bring glory for you. So you should go for it. Okay, you should not hesitate for competitive examinations, and you should not scare from uh, questions, hard questions, I can say, complex questions or tricky questions, which involves first solving the simpler ones, then moving towards the complex questions. That one you can do. Complex questions, that means, in other words, simpler questions, many simpler questions are grouped together to make a complex one. Actually, these are done to test your concepts to the level of concepts. Actually, it is concepts which bring you success, which bring your success, and it helps you to qualify every exam. Sorry. For class 9 and 10, for class 9 and 10, uh, there is the competitive exam which I can say, I think every one of you know, is NTC, National Talent Search Examination. This is very prestigious and all of you must appear it. It is of 200 marks, stage 1 and stage 2. For stage 1, 50 marks from MAT, that means mental ability test. Actually, I'm talking about my state board, and most of the state board, this may be the distribution of marks. Okay, MAT, that means mental ability test, that is 50 marks. SAT, or Scholastic Aptitude Test, which takes the test, or we can say it helps to realize your realize your potential in your academic skills. Academic skills, that means on your subjects such as science, mathematics, and social science. Social science is every competitive in the specialty of NTC, that is that it includes social science in it, which is very essential for us. Okay, and also I can say the tough most section, tough most I can say, no, it is not tough, complex I can say, or lengthy one is social science, and the most easiest one, or to gain more marks or to score, is also social science, because if you have I can say a lot of knowledge, you have also a simple knowledge of anything. Let's say it may be an date when French Revolution occurred. If you know that is in 14 July 1789, then, and you have forgotten that, okay, it is not coming to your mind, but after seeing the options, as options are given there, you can see and you can easily remember what was the answer. Okay, you can do that. In history and economics portion, and history and civics portion are generally easy, but geography I found very difficult. Actually, I scored 105 out of 140 in in my NTC stage 1. I couldn't qualify for it because the cutoff was quite high. It was 115. I lost marks in geography especially. Many marks I lost. I think hardly I scored out of 10. 10 marks was geography. I scored I think 4. 4 something. 6 marks I lost straightly there. And then other 4 marks in science science, math, and there I have lost, and mathematics 1 marks like that I have lost. But it was good. Okay, I am not satisfied with that because my preparation I can say was not well. I did made one video on that. I also also purchased many books for my preparation, but I couldn't do. I thought that I will qualify. The cutoff will be very low. Actually, last year the cutoff was 100. I thought I will qualify, but the cutoff this time went very tough. Okay, and also there are several circumstances I couldn't do, and but also my preparation was also not good, not up to the mark. Okay, so so let us so forget it. But NTC taught me one thing: how to prepare for a competitive. The preparation strategy. That one it has taught. Okay, now without wasting our time, I would like to start our discussion. Okay, this is Itzi Mama, concept of physics. I can say this is a bible of IIT JEE preparation, a must-do book. Not only IIT JEE preparation but also for medicals. It is highly essential, and other competitive exams like KVPY, IPHO. These are the basics. No, not basics. That means these are I can say the pillars of concepts of physics. Okay, as the very name subjects concepts of physics, it gives you it clarifies your doubts or any queries which you have in your mind, because it is written in a simple and liquid manner, very simple way. You also a weak student can easily understand it, and it is also highly economical. Its cost is very low. This book is also less. I think you know about Eschand class 10 science book, that is some around 450. It is also not so high. Its price is also not so high. It is some around 350 or 330. 330. It is very less. Also, if you will purchase this from Flipkart or Amazon, you can get it at a very cheaper price. This can be 300. I'm talking about only one book. This one. 300 and 300, 600 all total you can get. And also second hand book you can also purchase, because the content is same, and also only just this cover it is different, others are same. And second, after completing this it's mama sorry I forgot about the basics. Basics is generally, I hope everyone of you know, is NCRT. NCRT is for basic NCRT, and also you have covered. Then still also you need some good base or grip over physics I can say. Then you can go for SL Aurora. Class 11 and 12 separate books are coming, you can go for that. And also for foundation also you want to make, you can also purchase that, because in the beginning the formulas which are being used in the mathematical tools are given, and by learning this you can simply solve this and you can get a very good grip over it. Foundation actually is very important for IIT JEE preparation, because uh, during my NTC preparation, after my NTC, actually after the NTC I studied the book, and also there are many concepts which are being repeated, and I found this very book. Now I'm preparing for IIT JEE. These concepts, when I come to those concepts which are being repeated or I have already read in class 10 during my foundation preparation, that time I I found those portions very easy, because these are already written in my mind, retained in my mind, and I can easily learn those. Okay, so for basics, NCRT or SL Arura. Don't go for Pradeep or Modern ABC. Those are, or Dinesh, I can say. Don't go for that now, because those are many lot of mistakes are also there in those books. Don't go for it. Okay, now talking about, I think I can say it is also the Bible of physics. These are all the famous books which are must-do books. Okay, this is Resnick Halliday. I purchased the second-hand book because the content is same. Also, you can find this book, same book, in Flipkart. I think this cost maybe 800 or 900, but after purchasing the second-hand book, this is available at very cheap price, 400, 300. Very helpful, very helpful. A lot of questions are there, and these are very helpful. Then after that, I can say one of the toughest books for IIT is IE Irodo. This book is 60 rupees, okay, very small book but still very lengthy, okay, and highly complex book. Complex, that means lengthy and very tricky. It requires a lot of rigorous practice of physics. Before going for this book, we require a lot of practice in physics. uh, if we have a good grip over physics and also our concepts are clear and we have practiced a lot of questions of JEE mains level, then we should go for it because this its level is quite high. Okay, so now I'm done with it. In this video, I have not mentioned many important books, which I will prepare the second part. I will upload second part of this video. There I will mention many other essential books which are also essential, but still these books are also very essential. As I said it, these are the must do books. By preparing for from this also, you can do well in IIT JEE physics. Okay. But for more question practice, you can take up any study material of any coaching institute. I will recommend Resonance of Widzi or Akash or Alan. Those study materials, these are quite good level. Also, I have lost. I may have haven't mentioned institutes, many top institutes name, but sorry if I haven't done that. Okay. So with this, I would like to conclude. But also, let me to say the other books which are required, set of books by DC Pandey, Arihant Publications, set of books by DC Pandey. These are also quite helpful for JEE mains. These are actually prepared for JEE mains and advanced. These are in this modern trends. These are very helpful. And also SS Krotov, Science for Everyone, aptitude test for science. Those books are also, actually these are foreign books. These are also quite helpful. And other books which I can see, BM Sharma, Singage Publications, those books are also quite helpful for it. And yes, this much. And also Calculus by Ilvi Tarasov. I think I have Ilvi Tarasov, yeah, that book before, because that will make your calculus strong. And also for, and if you couldn't get this book, then you can go for Amit M Agarwal, Calculus. That will give you a good grip over calculus, because in physics I can say physics is the mathematics is the language of physics. So if your mathematics is strong, you can do well in physics. Okay, so with this, I would like to conclude. So okay, bye. Best of luck for you and those who are watching this video. Thank you for watching it. If you found this video helpful for you, then you wish, you can subscribe this channel. I will upload, I will not waste your time. I will upload very videos on preparations and useful topics. And also I'm also going to give many competitions, and also my experiences I will also say there. So it will benefit you, and also my mistakes which I did committed during my preparations, that will also I will tell, so that you cannot do the mistakes. Okay, so bye.